question that we are routinely asked is, what's the difference between granite and quartz? The short answer is that granite is a natural stone that is quarried from the earth in huge blocks, cut into slab, the voids filled with resin, and then it's polished smooth. Quartz is a man-made stone consisting of 90 to 93% pulverized natural quartz and 7 to 10% resin. Let's dig deeper though. What is the difference as it applies to you, the consumer? If you've done any measure of research on countertops, you've no doubt seen quartz touted as a surface that demands less maintenance than granite. That's technically true in the sense that you don't have to seal quartz. Quartz is not porous, and therefore you don't have to apply sealer annually. What's a bit misleading about that is that sealing natural stone is super easy and inexpensive. The process is simple. You can do it yourself with stone sealers that are sold at home improvement stores and online. So don't let sealing drive the bus on your decision. It's just not that big of a deal. The truth is that neither granite nor quartz is indestructible. Both can stain, both can be scratched, both can chip. The same basic care and maintenance apply to both materials. The biggest difference is aesthetics. Granite, being a product of nature, is uniquely gorgeous. Granite patterns vary from consistent granular speckles to wild, colorful movement that wouldn't be out of place if showcased on the wall in an art gallery. Try as we might, the depth and richness of the colors and the unique patterns found in natural stone just can't be replicated by man. If you ever chip your granite countertop, the repair will likely be unnoticeable because the depth and dimension camouflage it. If you chip a quartz countertop, you'll probably always see where the repair was done. Where quartz really excels is if you want the classic marble look. The majority of natural marbles are not recommended for kitchen countertops because they really are high maintenance. For instance, the wide gray or gold veins of Calcutta marble is a popular design feature. But Calcutta marble is not only very expensive, it's also really soft, making it prone to staining, scratching, and etching. Etching is a chemical reaction that occurs when something acidic comes into contact with the surface of the stone, leaving a dull spot. It happens surprisingly fast on some marbles. So imagine spending thousands of dollars on these beautiful countertops only to have dull spots just because some lime juice, wine, or tomato sauce found its way onto your stone. Quartz manufacturers have successfully replicated some very attractive marble looks that will give you the beauty of natural marble without the constant fear of damaging your countertops. Another niche where quartz excels is solid colors. Let's say you have a really cool mosaic or bold pattern backsplash tile that you've got your heart set on. A solid color quartz may be the way to go so that you don't have different patterns competing against each other. The closest thing to a solid color that you'll find in natural stone is black granite, which is usually great for those looking for a dark stone, but in our experience, most folks are looking for lighter countertops. Quartz is definitely the answer when you want a subtle pattern or no pattern at all. When it comes down to it, both granite and quartz are fantastic choices for countertops. Don't be afraid of the maintenance for granite. It's really not a big deal. Granite is durable, beautiful, and would be uniquely yours. But you can't beat quartz if you want the classic beauty of natural marble without the headache and heartache of keeping natural marble looking good.